Protect your digital trust shield. What if policy enforcement for fraud, security, and compliance was as simple as an API call? Welcome to Protect, the trust and fraud prevention layer that every enterprise needs for safe, compliant, and secure digital interactions. In today's digital world, every online session is a potential risk. Every user login and device interaction could be targeted. Attackers could use account takeovers, credential stuffing, and bots to breach defenses. They are smarter, faster, and more automated than ever before. Traditional security tools catch threats at the edge or after damage is done. But what about the digital session itself, when trust is most vulnerable? That's where Protect steps in. Protect is the trust and fraud prevention layer every enterprise needs. It keeps your digital interactions safe, compliant, and secure right when it matters the most. Let's get into a quick product walkthrough. Here's the dashboard, a single pane of glass monitoring and managing your digital trust posture. At a glance, you can see sessions, users, devices, and policies here. Along with these details, you also have an interactive graph display for session activity over time, highlighting the peak periods of fraudulent activities as well. This allows you to take proactive measures against the fraudulent activities that could happen internally and externally. Now let's deep dive into the session activity page. As you can see here, each session can be inspected in detail, including the user identity, the device details, and the behavioral signals. And you have a clear access to why a particular session has failed. As you drill down deeper into each of these sessions, you'll be able to notice that the mouse activity, keyboard activity, device, browser, hardware details, location details, all of this is captured along with the policy validation results that you can see here. And you get a clear picture of why a particular session has failed. It could be because of a login from an unknown user, unknown IP or a device or a location. Now let's deep dive further into the users section. As you can see here, on the user section as well, you'll be able to investigate based on the session activity and the devices. It gives you a clear picture of the anomalies that are detected and also spot early warning signs of fraud or insider risk. The devices section provides a device fingerprint showing whether a device is trusted, new, or high risk. It also shows you if multiple users have logged in from the same device, which could again possibly be a early sign of a fraudulent activity. Let me quickly show you how it works as we get into the devices section and further investigate one of the device information. For this particular device, we see that there are multiple users logged in. In real time, this could be a sign of a fraudulent activity. The admin can further investigate and understand the usage pattern and detect the threats using this information. Then comes the list. Protect also allows you to manage lists for trusted users, blocked devices, blocked users, blocked IPs, watch lists, so on and so forth. The admins can also bulk import existing datasets of suspicious users or IPs, etc. As you can see on the screen, it allows you to import the dataset, eliminating the need to start all the way from the scratch. Next, we have the most important feature of Protect, that's the policy engine. So this is the policy management dashboard, which shows you the list of active policies and policies triggered. You also have an option to view the policies from the policy library page. These are the set of pre-built policy templates that is shipped out of the box in Protect. and the user will also be able to create their own set of policies from the policy creation page, which are tailored to your preferred threat signals, defining rules in simple if-then logic that drives real-time enforcement. We also have an AI policy builder, which is in beta phase right now. It enables the users to create a bunch of policies within seconds just by giving a prompt of the requirements that they have. The policy builder is smart enough to understand the context of the prompt and suggest draft a bunch of policies that meets the requirements of the users. Next comes the app configuration. This is where enterprises connect their application to KProtect, whether it's a banking app, lending portal, e-commerce checkout, or enterprise SaaS tools. You can plug it in and monitor activity through a simple drop-down. Switch between apps seamlessly, configure policies at the app level, and also ensure consistent fraud prevention. With that, let me summarize why every enterprise needs it. Fraud is not just a security problem, it's a business trust problem. Every compromised account, every fraudulent transaction, every insider misuse directly impacts revenue, compliance, and brand reputation. That's why every enterprise across industries and geographies must have a session trust layer like KProtect. It's not a replacement for your SIEM, your fraud system, or your compliance tools. It's the missing real-time enforcement layer that ensures digital interactions remain trustworthy. KProtect delivers transparent visibility into sessions, users, and devices, policy-driven enforcement at the speed of fraud, easy plugin to any app with minimal integration effort. In just hours, you can have KProtect securing your applications. So the question is not if your enterprise needs it, the question is how quickly can you deploy it? Try KProtect today and experience a safer, more trusted digital future.